Hello friends, here we are with another notification which is from Banknote Press, Dewas. Dewas is in the state of MP, Madhya Pradesh. So Banknote Press, it is completely owned by Government of India. First let me remind you, and it is a mini Ratna company, and it comes under the unit of Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India. That's why in the website also you can see bnpdevas.spmcil. SPMCIL stands for Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India. So it is a mini Ratna company. They have released a notification regarding job notification regarding some posts. So clearly it is given here. Banknote Press Dewas MP invites online applications from Indian nationals for filling up the various posts in Dewas unit. So these posts are to work in Dewas, which is in the state of MP. So there are some post codes given. Name of the post is given here. Number of posts are given here. So clearly we can see welfare officer, supervisor in the ink factory, supervisor of information technology, junior office assistant, junior technician. There are 4 types of junior technician posts given here. So junior technician in the ink factory, junior technician in printing, junior technician in electrical and IT or IT, and junior technician mechanical and AC. So clearly if you see here, starting from for welfare officer, supervisor in the ink factory, supervisor in the information technology, there is only one post, but the salary is very high. The salary, maximum salary, it can go up to 1,03,95,910. The maximum age limit for supervisor in information technology also there is one post. So the maximum salary can go up to 1 lakh. Minimum salary is 27,000 and 29,000. The maximum salary can go exceed 1 lakh also. And the age limit is also 30 years as on the closing date. Afterwards we will see what is the closing date. And now for junior office assistant, if you see, that is also good post. 15 posts are there. And for all the junior technician posts, you can see there are many posts, 15, 60, 23, 15 and 15. So if you add up all these things, so it is more than 100. So the pay scale is also very good. 21,540 is the starting salary for junior office assistant, and the maximum it can go up to 77,160, and plus DAs and HRAs, the maximum age limit is also 28 years. A junior technician, particularly for the people who have done their ITI, so it is a golden opportunity. The number of posts are also very high. 67,390 can be the maximum salary, and the age limit is 25 years. So this is a very good opportunity and you can avail it. And also there is an extra notification for Noida unit. Indian government Mint has got 9 units all over India. 1 unit is in Noida, right? So they all come under SPMCIL only. In Noida also there are 4 posts in Noida unit also. So one is for secretarial assistant. The pay scale, there is one post. The pay scale is 23,910 from 85,570. And junior office assistant, number of posts are 3, and the maximum pay scale can go up to 77,160 starting from 21,000. The maximum age limit, the upper age limit as on the closing date is 28 years. Plus, since it is a central government job, certainly some reservations and age relaxations for certain categories will be there. That is general category. They're taken general category into account. So extra age relaxations will be there for reserved candidates, just like a scheduled SC, ST, EWS, physically disabled persons, ex-servicemen, etc., etc. Now that is for junior office assistant, right? Now there are some important dates given to you. Let us see the dates. The opening of the website link for online applications is 12th May. And the last day is 11th June. So 12th May is the opening date and last day is 11th June. So better we will don't go for any delay. So here payment of fees in online mode, it is taken. This is also an online mode payment. Offline will not be accepted. That is also from same dates are given to you, 12th May to 11th June. So there will be, because there are some office assistant posts, etc., etc. There will be a stenography test and typing test on computer based on the requirement. There is a date given. Date is not given actually. They told date, but date is not given. The tentative month is given. It can be conducted on any date in the month of July or August of 2021. Same thing goes with the online exam also. It can go in any date in the month of July or August. So maybe later they will inform us what is the date. So they actually यहाँ पे लिखना चाहिए there should be written something like tentative month. Dates will be informed later. Okay, so now coming to eligibility conditions for welfare officer, they should have 3 essential points here. Point A, point B, and point C are also given. For point A, what is telling? They should have a degree of a university recognized by the state government on this behalf. They should have a degree of a university recognized by the state government. That is point number 1. And point B is has to obtain a degree or diploma. Diploma is also okay in social science from any institution recognized by the state government on this behalf. So you can have point B is you can have a degree or diploma in social science. Now point C is the person should have an adequate knowledge of Hindi as also the language spoken by the majority of the workers in the factory to which he is to be attached. Particularly Devas is in the state of MP. So the official language in MP is Hindi. In UP also most of the people talk Hindi only. So for both for Noida sector, for Devas sector, so majority of the people will speak Hindi. So knowledge of Hindi, those people who are even though it is an all India job, but since people who are having a good knowledge of Hindi will have definitely a good edge and advantage to secure this job. Now coming to supervisor post in the ink factory. So here comes to the essential, the compulsory qualification. The person should have a first class full-time diploma in dye stuff technology, paint technology, surface coating technology, printing ink technology, printing technology, or higher qualification. Diploma is compulsory, first class full-time diploma. Along with that, if you have a first class full-time in BTech, BE, BSc engineering in the relevant trades. Relevant trade in the sense, this paint technology and will also be considered as eligible. Or along apart from this, if you have a full-time degree in BSc chemistry, this is very good actually. If you have a full-time eligibility in BSc chemistry, then also you are eligible for this job. Okay. Now coming to supervisor in the information technology, essential qualification is first class full-time diploma in engineering, IT, computer engineering, etc., etc. Higher qualifications such as BE, BTech, BSc in engineering in the relevant trade is also considered, right? Okay. Now junior office assistant, essential is junior office assistant. We have seen already number of posts are more for Devas sector. There are 15 posts I think so. Graduate with at least 55% of marks and computer knowledge should be there. You should be a graduate in any discipline with at least 55% of marks. Your typing speed should be, if your typing speed on computer, please remember the typing speed on computer, if it is English, you should have a speed of 40 words per minute. If it is Hindi, you should have typing speed at 30 words per minute as per the requirement, right? So that is for junior office assistant. So coming to junior technician in the ink factory. Now we are coming to the technician post. So this is really a golden opportunity for the people who have done their ITI, full-time ITI. Now in the ink factory for the junior technician post, he is asking full-time ITI certificate in dye stuff technology, paint technology, surface coating technology, printing ink technology, printing technology, along with 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT. Friends, this is very, very important because for every junior technician job, he asked this requirement. Whatever the academic qualification, that is nothing but full-time ITI certificate in the relevant trade, along with every trade he asked 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT. Please remember this point also. Now coming to next one, junior technician post in printing. As usual, you should have a full-time ITI certificate in printing trade. That means like litho offset machine minder, letterpress machine minder, offset printing, plate making, electroplating, hand composing, plate maker cum impositor, along with here also you see 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT. So compulsory you should have a NAC certificate from NCVT along with the required academic qualifications. Now coming to the junior technician post in electrical or IT trade. So first he is telling full-time ITI certificate as usual with an electrical or electronics along with 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT. Coming to the fourth category in the junior technician post, which is in the category of mechanical or AC. Again, full-time ITS certificate in fitter, machinist turner, instrument mechanic, mechanic motor vehicle along with 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT. Okay. Now secretarial assistant post is also asked for. I think it is for Noida sector. Yes, for Noida sector they asked this. There is only one post, but still some people are eligible, maybe eligible for this post also. He must be a graduate with at least 55% of marks. You should have some computer knowledge. The stenography, here clearly separately they mentioned stenographic skills are different and typing skills are different. The stenographic skills in English or Hindi, whatever it may be, it should be 80 words per minute. This is only for stenography. And typing skills, separately he asked the typing skills. The typing skills should be 40 words per minute in English or Hindi. So if you have any proficiency in the secretarial job, in the experience, past experience, definitely you will be given more weightage. So clearly it is given relevant trade means whatever the other as allied, maybe some courses might be missing here. So relevant means allied courses are also okay. So the good part is that clearly here you can see, particularly for supervisor in the ink factory, supervisor in the information technology, there he asked BE BTech with the relevant trade is also considered. That is okay. For supervisor in the ink factory, he asked full-time BSc in chemistry is also allowed. That means for junior technician post, please remember ITI people, those who are going to apply this post with ITI certificate, compulsory you should have 1 year NAC certificate from NCVT. For all the junior technician post, he asked this point. Friends, for complete details, because this is the notification that is given in employment news directly. If you want to get more details for complete, here clearly asking complete details, including the qualifications, reservations for particular categories, relaxation in the age limit for those people like ex-servicemen, EWS, SC, ST, OBC, a non-creamy layer, what is the fee, examination fee, and how the selection process will be going on, how to apply online, everything, general information and instructions. That means before applying the online form, what are the documents you have to keep ready, the instructions will be given in this website. What is this website? bnpdevas.spmcil.com. You can go to this website, and from 12th May, because the starting day is 12th May, so better to log on after 9 o'clock or 12 o'clock, whatever it may be, in the daytime of working hours of 12th May of 2021. Maybe you will be getting all the necessary information. Since the date that I am posting this video is 11th May, that means tomorrow will be 12th May. So now the things will not be there in the website. So from tomorrow, from 12th May, you can open the website and get all the necessary information. So all the best for the aspirants who are applying for these particular jobs. I hope our information is useful to you. Thank you.